the Coronado Campground in Bernalillo, New Mexico. So doing the lights check. Serenity trailer getting plugged in. We have 26,000 miles on the trailer itself. Never leave home without some good diesel clean. Might as well throw some anti-rattle into the compartment. Yeah, we're going to do some elevation. Right now, that's what it's looking like for the day. Beautiful scenery, beautiful drive. Heading towards Santa Fe. We're at 7,100 feet here with 91 miles left. This is beautiful. Yeah, look at that mileage that we got. That was coming downhill from Santa Fe with the camper on. Here's the campground. They all have these little shelters, which is nice. The sites are not level, so make sure you can do that. There's the bathrooms. Don't bother going inside. They need an update. Like the mountains down here. All right, let's go up and have a peek. I love going up, having a look around. Here's the campground. I mean, I would stay here again. There's road noise, the bathrooms need updating, and the sites aren't level. Right on the Rio Grande River. So if you look off there, there it is, the Rio Grande right there. That was a sunrise shot, so that's where it's coming up. The mountain will be illuminated better with the sunset. If you just stand by, we'll get there. There's the sunset. There's the entrance to the park right down there to the lower right. Off in the distance is a Coronado Historic Site. There's also a tent site out there, and overflow parking is out there. And there is the sun trying desperately to go down. Long way away with the flat out here.